All right, YouTube, I just finished, and then when I went to look at the camera, I realized I forgot to press record. So here's a JB Weld, and here's a work. Here's where I mixed it up, just a piece of plywood, and I used this little tool here to spread it around as slowly as I can't find my plastic pieces. I've never used this before, so let's hope it works. Now, the main reason why I've been holding back on this, where does it say? Hold on, I think it's on this. If temperature is below 40 degrees, setting time will be longer. It is now 40, 43, 44. Yeah, I'm sweating bricks here. That's for my little neighbor's cat. But getting back to it, for the first time doing this, I think it's not too bad. So let's hope, since it says 24 hours and we got high humidity, I'll wait a day and a half. Yeah. So this is, like it says, the original. So far, the glue held on. So wish me luck. We'll check it out tomorrow.